The F-35 HMD, the most advanced helmet-mounted display in the world, designed for the 5th generation F-35 Joint Strike Fighter. When fully integrated with aircraft sensors and systems, the F-35 HMD provides the pilot with unparalleled situational awareness, turning night into day. The F-35 HMD provides visor-projected video and symbology for the virtual HUD, digital night vision, distributed aperture system, cueing of high off-bore sight sensors and weapons, target designation, defensive systems, encrypted data link, and growth for advanced HMD capability. A U.S. Marine Corps recon team near the forward edge of the battle area observes enemy vehicles on the move toward a friendly encampment. Attempts to stop the vehicles fail, and they call for an airstrike.
Juliet Bravo, this is Recon Alpha Mike requesting immediate air support. Over.
Recon Alpha Mike, this is Juliet Bravo. Go ahead with your request.
Juliet Bravo, we have enemy vehicles on the move toward Whiskey Sierra in Kill Box 197. 7 armed vehicles in 2 groups. Over.
Recon Alpha Mike, we are launching an F-35B to your sector. Relay target coordinates over secure link, channel 14. Maintain MCON.
The F-35B proceeds to the last known target location, relayed via secure data link to the pilot's head-down display, but the data is now stale. Maintaining MCON, the pilot utilizes the F-35 DAS and HMD Diginite sensors to locate the enemy vehicles. The pilot detects movement at 10 o'clock via advanced AMTI processing and verifies the vehicles are hostile with Diginite. The pilot then selects his FLIR to zoom in and verify the contacts are enemy combatants. The FLIR automatically locks on the HMD established coordinates. 4 vehicles are prioritized, ID validated, weapons lock-on established, 4 SDBs released. Three more hostile vehicles are verified and targeted with the HMD and FLIR. Three more enemy vehicles destroyed. The pilot orbits the target area, verifies with the recon team via data link and visually with Diginite that all hostiles are destroyed. Then turns right to return to home plate. With the aid of the F-35 HMD, the pilot can view the ground directly beneath the aircraft through the cockpit floor during his vertical descent to a safe landing. The F-35 HMD and the onboard DAS provide a capability unmatched by any other system, turning night into day. The F-35 HMD provides unparalleled situational awareness in the most demanding operational environments. The F-35 HMD system performance is unsurpassed. The high accuracy and low latency of the F-35 HMD allow it to serve as the virtual HUD of the aircraft.